Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng New Secret Antiperspirant and Deodorant.
Buti na lang, extended ang Tic-Tac. Tic-Tac to millions. Now up to February 15. Lampas pa ng Three Kings.
Ikaw nanalo?
Pero, akin ang premyo.
Wise man ka talaga.
The acting's fine, but dandruff, can you fix it?
Did they like me?
Yes, but you've got to change the shampoo.
But won't dandruff shampoos make my hair dry?
Here's the hair and scalp shampoo you can use every day.
Sunsilk Nutrient Shampoo.
It's got vitamin E
That's good for the skin.
and scalp. This new Sunsilk keeps the hair dandruff-free, while Neutralite Complex nourishes hair. It's the one you need to keep scalp and hair beautiful.
It's over. Hair just keeps getting better.
Only from Sunsilk Hair and Scalp Care Shampoo.
Basta kasali na ang pamilya ko, ibang usapan na yan. Eh, mikrobyo na ang kalaban eh. Dala niyan, impeksyon, sakit. Kaya sa akin, hindi uubra yung alkohol na pa-baby-baby. Dahil hindi naman binibaby ang mikrobyo eh. Pinapatay. At may bibisa pa ba sa 70% isopropyl alcohol? Kung sa mga ospital nga, itong gamit eh. Kaya sa pamilya ko, Green Cross alcohol lang. Labang ka.
Tough mamas choose Green Cross.
Mare, may bagong Tide Bar. Double action. Di raw madaling matunaw. Aber, 2, 3, 4 na oras. Ang iba, lusaw na. Pero ang Tide, buo pa. Double action. Subukan nyo. Ibang klase to.
Okay to. Dahil walang makakapantay sa inyong pagsubaybay sa kanilang murang isipan. Let's do things together. Know what your children are watching. Strengthening Filipino family values through television.
It's gonna be a rocky night with Martin late at night because he's gonna have the two of us good-looking people as guests.
Yes, the two of us for the first time here in Martin Late at Night.
Yes.
Watch it as we sing Jingle Bell Rock.
Have the merriest Christmas ever with Martin Late at Night, Mondays through Fridays, midnight-ish. Dito lang sa may Paskong punong-puno ng puso, ABS-CBN.
My Christmas wish is that every